Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is the economic problem. So, an economic problem arises when there are limited resources but unlimited wants. So, when it comes to the economic problem, we always need to differentiate between is something really important or do we just want it for fun? Okay, so I'm going to use an example now. Okay, have you ever needed to choose between a cool new game or saving your money for a new pair of shoes? Or maybe you had to decide between playing soccer with friends or staying home to study for a test. Now, guys, those are two different scenarios, but what they have in common is that there is something important that you need to choose, and there is a fun desire that we all want. Okay, so you always need to make a choice. So, guys, within the economic problem, we have got unlimited wants and needs. Okay, so what are unlimited wants and needs? So, unlimited wants and needs is that we always want more. We even focus more on our wants than our needs. Okay, so we're always looking for something that is fun, okay, above the important stuff. All right, because when we have something fun to do, we always have fun. It's always enjoyable. Okay, and then we've got limited resources. Limited resources. There is a term that we use under limited resources, and that is the word scarcity. So scarcity, guys, is when something when there is hard when that specific item is hardly there. Okay, it is limited. You do not get it every day. Okay, so money, time, and raw materials that we have to fulfill that we have to use to fulfill our wants are always limited. Okay, so unlimited wants always crashes our limited resources. Okay, because we've got all these things that we want and our desires, so all of that crushes our limited resources. Because it is limited, you do not always have it. So, guys, when we get to the end, né, then there is a choice. There is always a choice, guys, and it is up to us that we choose the right thing. Okay, we cannot have everything we want, but we can always make the best choice. Okay, there is always a choice that we have to make. So I'm going to give examples about unlimited wants and needs. That is a vacation, that is our holidays, our fancy games and sneakers. And an example of unlimited resources, that is our water, that is our minerals, that is, and minerals, example of minerals are metal, oil, and so forth. Okay, and now we've got main causes of economic problems. I have written down 4 here. Number 1, poverty. So, guys, there are people that are living in poverty. Can be a cause for our economic problems. Then we've got inequalities. Inequalities mean how different people are treated and not equally. Unemployment. Unemployment happens when people are not working, and it could happen in a lot of communities where people are not working. And then the last one is inflation. Thank you.